Hello friends, I am Azzy and you are watching Azzy YT. Friends, today I will tell you some secret setting tricks regarding WhatsApp that will make your experience of using WhatsApp much better than before. Friends, before starting the video, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Please. Friends, for this you will use the Google Assistant in your mobile phone. Google Assistant is present in every mobile phone, so let's use it to send WhatsApp messages. You open it and type in the send WhatsApp message. Then select contact and click on just once. Now you select the contact and then write and send the message. Friends, if you want to message someone without saving their WhatsApp number, yes, it is possible. To do this, you need to open the Google Chrome browser on your mobile. Then type in the address bar /me/again, remember not to write your plus and write 9 instead of 0. Then type in the address bar me/again. Remember not to write your plus and write 9 instead of 0. Then click continue to chat. So friends, in this trick you can write WhatsApp messages in different font styles. Write this underscore then name and then underscore press send message. Write this star then name and then star press send message. Write this continuous then name and then continuous press send message. So friends, in this trick you can send any WhatsApp chat to another person. To do this, open the inbox you want to send. Then click on these 3 dots at the top, then click on more in it and then click on export chat. Now you can send WhatsApp chat to anyone from any of the following sources. So friends, if you want to delete unnecessary chats in this amazing WhatsApp trick, because of which your mobile memory has increased a lot, then you click on these 3 dots and then click settings, then storage and data, and then click manage storage. There will be all data show of WhatsApp, which increases the memory of your mobile. You can view and delete it. So friends, in this feature you can design fun for WhatsApp. For that you have to download the app, for that you have to open Play Store. Now type sticker maker in the search bar at the top. Then you install it. Now open it. Now type the sticker pack name here. In this WhatsApp feature, if you want no one to add you to WhatsApp group. To do this, open your WhatsApp. Then click on these 3 dots, then click on settings. Then you click on account and then click on privacy. Then you click on the group below. Then you will see 3 options. Click on the option below. Then you can also select WhatsApp contacts one by one. And if you want, you can select all contact by clicking on select all option and then click on tick option below. So friends, in this amazing feature, if you want the message that is delivered today, what time it was delivered and what time it was read, then you will know exactly. To do this, go to WhatsApp and open the inbox. Now hold down the message. Now click on the info above. Every time you read someone's WhatsApp chat, There is a blue tick show which shows that you have read their chat. You can turn off this blue tick. You will read someone's message but they will not know that you have read this message. And I will also tell you that you can hide when you were last online. You can open WhatsApp to change this setting. Then click on these three dots and then click on Settings. Then you click on Account and then click on Privacy. Friends, now the first option here, Last Seen, if you click on it, there will be three option shows. You can click on the last option, Nobody, so now no one will know when you are online and when you are offline. Then this second option, Read Receipts. If you disable it, no one will know that you are reading their message. There will be no blue tick show. Friends, if you want someone's WhatsApp message mark as unread. That is, you read his message but you unread it. So for that you open WhatsApp. Now hold down the message whose message you want to mark as unread. Then click on the three dots at the top and then click on Mark as Unread. So, friends, in another amazing feature of WhatsApp, if you want to bookmark someone's WhatsApp message. That is, you want to make someone's WhatsApp chat important. So for that you have to open WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp inbox of the message you want to bookmark. Now hold down the message. Now click on the star above. Now let me show you where you can see these bookmarked messages. You click on the three dots above and then click on Starred Messages. Friends, if you are chatting in a WhatsApp group, there are a lot of people in the WhatsApp group, so when we are texting, no one seems to know who is talking to whom. So for that you open WhatsApp. And then open the WhatsApp group inbox. And then select any WhatsApp group message and drag it right side. Now if you write a message and click on send, then this message will be sent to the person to whom you have mentioned reply. And the second way in mention reply is that you write at the rate symbol, the list of all the members in the group will be shown. Now you can select any one. And type message and click send.